Walking Man 45 here. Just taking the pups for a walk in the woods. And thought I'd do a quick little update on some carry for today. First and foremost, thought I'd try out the GEC H40 on some of my walks. It's a great little EDC. The next size down has like a 3-inch blade. I've shown it in another video. That thing's even better, just to, you could almost slip it in your front pocket. Obviously my gloves are in great condition. Haven't been used much this summer, fall. Yep, fall is in full swing. Next up, got the King, the Surge. I kind of misplaced this for about a week under a roof eave, so I thought I'd break it out today since I kind of missed it. It's a little much to carry in your pocket, but at the same time, I mean, I'm on like a 3 or 4 mile walk and don't really notice it. Got a DCO torch with a steel flame, honor, gratitude, respect clip, Sakura cherry blossom. Went to Japan a few times and really fell in love with a lot of things there, not everything, but. And then I believe this writing says Bushido, the way of the warrior, in kanji. Pretty cool torch. Very lucky to get this. A brother from another mother, again down in Texas, helped me get it. Titanium. What else do we got? And as always, I've got some sort of strider. I understand they're not the end-all be-all, but I really like the look of them. I love this gray, as you can tell with my fleece. This is a monkey edge. There's a cool story behind this that, I wanted it for a while and an acquaintance had it. And then it went through a few other hands and then I ended up with it, luckily. And it's green mate. And then I've got a Lynch Americana clip and a peak gray lock bar stabilizer, red, white, and blue. So 3B. Great knife. So I'll post a few more videos, hopefully this week. I'm doing a lot of carpentry, another reason I'm carrying around the Surge. Yeah, and let's just take a little walk, look at some of this gorgeous foliage. It's about, 45 degrees. Look at that. It's beautiful. right, Walking Man 45, signing off.